guys, it's your boy Mopar. We're back. Today we're going to be installing something new in old Suzuki here. So I'm gonna show you right here. So we got our hardware. We got, yeah, we're not using that. We got our own tools, but we are installing the new mirrors on here. So y'all hang out with me. We're gonna see if we can figure this out together. There's no video on YouTube showing you how to do this, so it's all trial and error here, but we're gonna do our best. I'm gonna try to explain to you. So the first thing I know that we are going to do is we're going to remove this bolt, and there's some pot rivets in here. I'm gonna remove them to move this piece out right here to see what we're looking at, what we're working with. So yeah, just bear with me, and we'll get it going underway. Okay, guys, there is a reason why there's not a video on how to replace your damn mirrors. Take a look at this. We are down. I take my windshield back off, by the way. Had to take it back off. Why? Anyway, if y'all know an easier way to do this, please let me know. But as of right now, look what I've done. Alright. So I've taken all this off, taking this out. There ends up to be about 10 bolts altogether. And this pops out from right there. There's 2 bolts holding the cluster on. One here on this side. See right here? And then there's one on the other side in the same spot. And grab my flashlight. Where's my damn flashlight? Where's my flashlight? I got it right here. And if you look right there, oh, there's the damn mirror. There's the mirror bolts. Why in the hell would anybody put the damn bolts right there? Why? What sense does it make? It makes no sense at all. Do you know how much work that is just to change out your mirrors? It wasn't like that on the Gen 2s, Gen 1s. No. Engineers up in Suzuki said, hey, I got a way how to troll people. Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. So you see everything that I've had to do in order to get to these 4 bolts. Alright, well, we're going to take them off and we'll put the new mirrors on, and then we'll put it back up, and we'll see how she looks afterwards. If you have any questions, comments, if there's an easier way to do this, please comment down below. I don't know. I work on cars, old cars. Like, that's my forte. Old cars. There's nothing about me that says motorcycle mechanic. I can't even spell motorcycle mechanic. Anyway, y'all comment down below, guys, if y'all know an easier, better way. I don't know. This is the way I found. Trial and error. So anyway, we'll put it back together. We'll put it back up, and we'll be right back. What's up, guys? Alright, so we ran into a problem. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I kind of didn't like the way the new mirrors looked on here. This wasn't my cup of tea, you know what I'm saying? So I kind of ordered something additional that we're going to do, and I think it looks pretty good. So just give you a heads up of what this looks like. Bear with me. We're doing stuff and things. Yeah, boy. Woo! Going bald. Kiss my ass. I'm jelly though. Y'all got hair. This be 38. Oh, damn. Anyway, alright, so y'all look at this. I'll turn you up. Flip y'all around right here so y'all can see this. Yeah. So, I kind of don't like the way it looks. I just don't like it. Don't. So, we did something. So, since I'm not going to use them, if you comment, like, and subscribe down below, we'll do a giveaway for them, and I'll send them to you. Not used, hardware comes with them. They fit a Gen 3 Hayabusa. So if you're looking for some new mirrors, they are the 6061 mirrors. You can actually look it up on Amazon. I think it was like 60, 70 bucks. Just comment down below. You might win them. Yeah. So instead we did this, guys. So, oh yeah, carbon fiber, baby. So we're just going to block the son bitches off. So I think that'd be pretty cool. I mean, who needs mirrors, right? All right. So I wanted to give a better rundown of this right here. So this was the cluster panel that fits over the speedometer, tachometer, and cluster. These little bastards right here, though, are a pain in the ass. You hear me? So these actually, I want to show you where these fit. These actually fit once you got the cluster in, and we bolt the speedometer and the tach and all this back up. See, it pops into the little rubber garments right there. They pop into there. 2 bolts go in on each side. Put the plastic cluster. I don't know what the hell you call it. You get what I'm saying. I just showed it to you. And then this will go fit over it like that, and then you can put your 2 side panels down. So this right here was a little pain in the butt. So it bolts in right there. It bolts in right there on each side. So just kind of wanted to give you a heads up, because right there is where it's not like Gen 2s. Gen 2s wasn't that bad. Or was it Gen 1s? Gen 1s and Gen 2s, because you just moved a little piece, rubber piece, and then boop, there you go. You replace your damn mirrors or blocking off or whatever. But so I'm gonna add the block offs on there, and I'm gonna get this back together. We gotta put the windshield. I just installed a damn windshield. I just did a video, if y'all haven't seen it, on how to install the windshield. Well, I'm telling you what, I'm getting lots of practice in. Getting lots of practice on doing this. But so we're gonna put this back together real quick, and then yeah, we'll see what it looks like. Also, I also ordered some new levers. Got that brake and that clutch lever. I'm gonna do a video on these installing. I tell you what, whoever wins the mirrors, I'll send you a Brock sticker. How about that? Y'all want a Brock sticker? Everybody loves stickers. Look, I put them on my my toolbox, you know. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna put this back together, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we just finished it up. I'm gonna take a look at it. I'm happy with it. Let's take a look at it right there. What y'all think? Is she Gucci or is she Gucci? What y'all think? Got the windshield back on. What y'all think? I like it. I like it a lot. But yeah, if y'all have any questions, please don't forget to comment down below. Smash that like button. Turn the bell notifications on, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Don't forget, comment down below, and we're going to give away the 6061 mirrors that I purchased that I didn't like on the Busa. So I'll pick a random person from down below in the comments, and you have your brand new set of mirrors for your Busa. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Again, if you have any questions, let me know down below, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later on.